What's the meaning of allow? Allow. 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 Allow.
Allow means to grant permission or give someone the right to do something or make something possible. When we allow something, it means we are giving our consent for it to happen or we are not placing any restrictions on it. This can refer to both physical and non-physical actions or situations. For example, a parent might allow their child to watch TV for an hour each day, or a company might allow their employees to work from home. Ultimately, allowing something means accepting it without objection or interference.